Now let us understand the evaluators. The first evaluator is the correctness evaluator. It measures how similar the system response is relative to the ground truth which we have provided through a data set. This will use LLM as a judge to assess the correctness of the system. Let me walk you through the code of the evaluator. In this evaluator, we will first create an instance of an LLM with structured output. The model used for this LLM should be different from the one used in the RAG system. The output schema contains explanation and a correct boolean, which will be true if the answer is correct and otherwise false. We'll then define the instructions for the LLM so that it can judge the correctness of the system. We'll invoke the LLM with the user question, ground truth answer, and the response given by the system combined with the correctness instructions. This will give us the evaluation on the correctness of the system.